Staafu Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta. Tulikuheshimu miaka 10. We gave you the highest honor of serving this country as president. You served your time even when you meted the greatest aggression against us. William Ruto as your deputy president, ukamtesa, ukasumbua yeye, huyu Rigathi Gachagua ukashika yeye, ukatoa yeye nguo mbele ya watoto wake, eti ili tukupigie magoti tukuabudu. And we told you, our former president, we shall never come to a time when we shall worship you as a man, and we shall ever worship. Even after all that, William Ruto, Rigathi Gachagua, and all of us, we never organized to sabotage, to undermine your leadership. We never organized to topple your government. We went back to our God and the people of Kenya and sold our agenda and our vision for a new Kenya to the people by voting for us on the 9th of August 2022. That today, a new special purpose vehicle for violence in the name of mobilizing a new Mungiki gathering, and we saw them on. Na sijui kwa nini watu wanaogopa kutaja, na nitamtaja leo kanisani if he doubts Mungiki in the Mount Kenya region. And you think government to use Mungiki as a special purpose vehicle for violence to now threaten government and us with seceding because you now have a militia. We want to remember in their numbers and our sons. Please don't take the young. After the 2007-2008 post-election violence, young men nakumbuka wakia siwezi taja kanisani. You please, Uhuru Kenyatta, whatever we did to you, do not take us back there. Tunakuomba kwa heshima, kama sio ya Mwenyezi Mungu